Hello, this is Eggy Pal. Last time we changed the order of the numbers on each side of the plus sign. Today let's check. 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. Are they the same or different?
They are the same.
What about 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2? Switch the numbers. Two plus 1 equals 1 plus 2. 3 plus 1 and 1 plus 3. Switch the numbers. Three plus 1 equals 1 plus 3. 4 plus 1 and 1 plus 4. Switch the numbers. 4 plus 1 equals 1 plus 4. 5 plus 1 and 1 plus 5. Switch the numbers. 5 plus 1 equals 1 plus 5. 6 plus 1 and 1 plus 6. Switch the numbers. 6 plus 1 equals 1 plus 6. 7 plus 1 and 1 plus 7. Switch the numbers. 7 plus 1 equals 1 plus 7. 8 plus 1 and 1 plus 8. Switch the numbers. 8 plus 1 equals 1 plus 8. 9 plus 1 and 1 plus 9. Switch the numbers. 9 plus 1 equals 1 plus 9. 10 plus 1 and 1 plus 10. Switch the numbers. 10 plus 1 equals 1 plus 10. 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2. Switch the numbers. 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. Next, 5 plus 2 plus 3 and 2 plus 3 plus 5. Switch the numbers. 5 plus 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3 plus 5. 5 plus 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 plus 5. Let's try together. Switch the numbers. Switch again. 5 plus 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Switch the numbers. They are the same. Changing the order on each side of the equal sign is easy.
Yes, it is easy.
You changed the order of the numbers. Great job. You earned the first edition master key. Next time we go for the second key. But before that, let's practice adding. We will check the answers next time. See you next time. Bye-bye.